Hello everyone, welcome back to computer class. Today I am going to start a new lesson, lesson number 6, that is network. First is about content. First one, communication system. Second one, network component. Third one, transmission media. Fourth one, transmission signals. And the last one, network topology. First is about communication system. What is meant by communication system? Our communication system is a collection of individual communication network. In the sense, communication system is a collection of so many computers and so many networks. What is the use of that communication system? Communication system is mainly used for the effective communication from source to the destination. Means if you want to send any data from one place to another means we need to use a communication system. Means what we are using from here to there. If you want to send the mail means sometime we will use a mobile, either a laptop, and network need to be there from here to there. Everything will be there, right? That components and the network, everything together we will call it as a communication system. Next is about network component. Network component means for the network what and all things you need. Okay. Here mainly we need three things. One is a sender, second one is a receiver, third one is a medium. Okay. What is meant by sender here? Sender means who is going to send the message or who is going to send the data from one place to another place. For them we will call it as a sender. Receiver means who is receiving that data, who is receiving that signal or whatever. For them we will call it as a receiver. Medium means the way, that path we will call it as medium, we will call it as a path, or else the line from here to there. The if you are calling to your friend means through a telephone line, if you are calling to your friend means you are the sender, your friend is a receiver. The data will travel from here to there through a what is that, a telephone line, telephone cable line, cable, right? That cable is called as a medium. Next is about transmission media. Transmission media, in the sense I have said, now I have said what is the meaning of medium. Medium means the line, the cable, we will call it as a medium, right? The kinds of transmission medium are two types. One is wire based transmission media, second one wireless transmission media. You will get to know by the word only. Wire based transmission media means if the connection is there from here to there through a cable. Okay, that is known as a wire-based transmission media. Means, oh, in olden days we are using telephone, right? That the cable will be there from here to there everywhere. The cable will be there, right? That is wire-based transmission media. Wireless transmission media means nowadays we are using the satellite or the mobile phone. That is known as a wireless transmission media. Wire-based transmission media means in this mode of transmission media, the communicating devices are interconnected through a cable. The cable connection will be there. Okay, that is known as wire-based transmission media. Next is about wireless transmission media. In case of wireless transmission, the communicating devices are not connected through a wire. Okay, that is known as wireless transmission media. For the wire-based transmission media, example are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable. For wireless, radio waves, microwaves like satellite. Okay, that is the example for wire-based and the wireless-based. Next is about transmission signal. Signal means the data from here to there, the what kind of data is going in that transmission, that is known as transmission signal. Okay, they are divided the transmission signal into two types. First one analog and the second one is digital. Here computer generates usually digital signal, whereas the telephone line carry analog signal. Okay, the conversion from digital to analog signal is known as modulation. Means the digital signal is converted to analog signal means the process is known as a modulation, and the reverse process means analog signal is converted to digital signal means that process is known as demodulation. Okay, first you need to know what is the meaning of analog and what is the meaning of digital. First is about analog signal. Analog signal means the data or the signal is continuously varying. Like it is the data is like a wave. It is continuously varying. Okay, fractional changes will be there like that. That is known as analog signal. Next, for the digital signal means the result or the data either it will be true or false, present or absent, 0 or 1. Like that answer is there. Like that data is there means that is known as a digital signal. Next is about network topology. Here, what is meant by the network topology? Network topology is nothing but the arrangement of various elements of a computer on a network. In this sense, the arrangement of computer, in which kind arrangement is there, how much gap is there between one computer to another, is it connection is there between every computer, not only between the computer, it may be the kind of nodes or the router or the Wi-Fi signal, whatever. What kind of arrangement is there? No? That arrangement in a network is known as a compute is that network topology. In the network topology also there are two types. Okay, first one is physical topology. Physical topology refers to the placement of a computer or nodes. Okay, what I have said, the arrangement of a computer or nodes or the routers or the signals, whatever, that is known as a physical topology. Next is about logical topology. Logical topology refers to the how the data flows in the network. The arrangement is your wish. How the data is going in that network, that is known as a logical topology. Okay. Network topology and physical topology is same, and logical topology means how the data will flow. That is about logical topology. Physical topology means arrangement of a computer, signals, a computer, nodes, other router, Wi-Fi signal, whatever. That is known as physical topology. First type of topology is in the network topology. The first one is star topology. Okay, you can see the diagram. In this diagram only you will get to know. Here the outside computers were there. That computers are known as a local computer. Middle one you can see the hub. That is the main computer, or we will call it as a host computer. Okay, here the main computer or the hub or the host computer will hold all the data and information. If the other computers means the outside local computers or local networks or whatever, they need to take the data means they need to go through the hub only. Means the computer one need to go to the here you can see the diagram. It need to communicate with the printer means it need to communicate through the hub only. That is known as a star topology. All the computers are connected to the main computers only. Through our main computers only they can transfer the data or they can share the data. That is known as star topology. Second type of topology is ring topology. Like a diagram you can see, you will get to know here. In this ring topology, no, you can't see any main computer or the master or the host. Okay, like a ring, like a star computer, no host computer will be there in the ring topology. All the computers are interconnected like a ring shape only they need to connect. Okay, but the ring topology, the data will transfer with a very high speed. They need to communicate or they need to flow the data need to flow in the one direction only, from one computer to other, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth. If the fifth computer need to communicate with the second or the third computer means they need to go from a first and second. They need to pass the first and second computer, then only they can communicate to third computer. This is about ring topology. Third type is complete topology. Okay, here the complete topology means all the computers are interconnected with other computer. The computer 1 is connected to 2, 3, 4 and the main computer. For all the computers it will be connected. Okay, that is known as a complete topology. Okay, if in this computer complete topology, if a local one computer is it become any problem for that for the first computer means no issue. The other computers will work based on their wish, based on how the user is working, same as it is they will work. But in the star computer, the host computer, the middle computer got any damage or anything means the whole system will close. Okay, in the ring topology also, If any computer is get distracted or whatever, the system got affected by a virus or whatever, like it is like a ring shape, right? The whole system will break. But for in a complete topology, if any computer got damaged or anything, no issue, the other computer will work based on the connection, based on the data. Okay, the complete topology is very fastest way of communicating the data. Why? Because the every computer is connected to one another computer, like a point to point connection will be there in a complete topology. Next type is hybrid topology. Hybrid topology means combination of two or three kind of topology is known as a hybrid topology. The combination is your wish, like the company wish, how they want to combine. They want to use the complete topology, ring star means they can use like that. That is their own wish. Okay. Here in this example, you can see the first is a ring topology is connected to middle is a star and the last one is a complete topology, right? This is known as a hybrid topology. The arrangement is based on the company wish or the user wish. They can combine of middle, they can keep a star topology, first they can keep a ring topology, that is their wish. This is known as a hybrid topology. Okay, hybrid topology means combination of two or three kind of topology is known as a hybrid topology. Last type of topology is bus topology. One more name of this topology is multi-point topology. Okay, you can see the diagram. Why it is called as a bus topology means all the computers are connected to one path. Okay, that is a transmission medium. Okay, that is the path. Only one path will be there. All the local computers, their terminals will, what is that? Terminals will be connected to that path. Okay, terminal point will be connected to the transmission path. Okay, here if the local one computer want to send the message means the first it will check the transmission medium means that path is free or not. If it is free means you can send the message. If it is not free means you need to wait up to the data need to complete data. The first before first data need to go to the destination, then you can send the data through this medium. That is known as a bus topology. Okay, in this topology, if any computer got damaged means no issue. Why? Because the what is that that system will be removed from that path. That connection mode will be, that system will be removed from that path. Okay, but if the communication medium means the transmission medium got damaged means the whole system will close their work. That is known as bus topology. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.